Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to check YouTube Kids history. In order to check the YouTube Kids history, first of all, open up the YouTube Kids app on your device and make sure you're logged in as the parent account. From the home page after logging in, tap on Your Stuff button at the bottom. Now, you will be able to see the list of all the videos your child has recently watched on YouTube Kids. Scroll through the list to view the full watch history. You can also tap on any video to watch it again, and that's it. Now you know how to check your YouTube Kids history and keep track of what your child is watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.